We're going to get started in a few minutes. I need to disable flick stick because that's going to get very annoying. Config flick stick. There we go. Okay.
That's a thing.
Hello, welcome to the community meetup. This is an event we do every Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific. If you haven't been here before, this is an event where you get to show off the worlds you're making for VRChat. So what's going to happen is I am going to go over the rules, and we have a little announcement ahead of that, and then we're going to go through all of those worlds until we run out of stuff, and then we go into our little networking event at the end. So that's it. Please keep in mind this is an open beta. So if you can, it's probably a good idea to set your status to specify such, because we're probably going to get a lot of people trying to join partway through and being confused why it says they're joining an instance of 80 people when they come into nobody, or the 5 other people that also did the same thing. And also, if you find any weird issues you suspect out of the ordinary from the live build, please go to feedback.vrchat.com and make a canny. And before you make a canny, please make sure that somebody else has not already made the canny. Because if they have, just upvote that one. So with that said, please make sure that all worlds today follow VRChat community guidelines and TOS. Please make sure that the player cap on your world is set to 40 people. That's just the max you can set. Please make sure that the instance type of the portal you drop is Friends Plus or Invite Plus. If your world deals with any sensitive or negative emotional subject matter, please just ask. We'll tell you yes or no. If you have a large world that's over 250 megabytes, please let us know. We'd like to have the much larger content towards the end. If your world is not ready to be shown, please don't show it. By that I just mean basic things like collision under spawn. Basically things that wouldn't make us have to rejoin here. If you have any sort of time constraint, please let us know. We can put you at the beginning, middle, end. Avatars must be medium or better on the performance ranking during the event. That's just for the courtesy of other people's performance.
Sorry, hold on.
Hurry up, Cyan, hurry up. Cyan, hurry up. Cyan, you're holding me up. If you do not see a little notification at the bottom of the screen, please select Cyan Laser, Faxnor, and myself. And select Show Avatar, as we got lots of nice little notifications that we can make pop up on your screen to give you guys context as to what we need you to do to keep the event running smoothly, such as, respawn, portal, things like that. If you showed a world last week, we do have a 1-week cooldown. So, again, if you showed last week, we ask that you do not show this week. And if your world is copyrighted music, just specify ahead of time so that people streaming can mute VRChat so that your copyrighted music does not affect their copyright standing. That's pretty much it. If there's any questions, feel free to ask me during. Otherwise, if you would like to show something, please step into the magic rectangle. Very cool.
That can't be it.
If that's it. Oh, techanon.
I showed something off last time.
Yes, for more.
I guess.
Okay.
I would show as well, but... Okay.
Alrighty.
Open beta bugs.
Nice.
I'm excited.
Somebody keeps walking in and out. I think that's Abe.
He wanted to
ask something, I think.
Vax, can you just go over the
Toggle
rules
button
real
doesn't
quick?
work. Yeah.
Wait, what button?
So the current ones I have is vrsinner, UnityTrap, FOMA, Verjuice, techanon, and Faxmashine.
Oh.
Oh, is Octo showing? Octo Floofy?
Are you showing a world? Here's the box.
Oh, you're stepping. Oh, okay. The boundary might be a little too big. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay.
No, it's not too big. It's just remote players. Remote
okay.
is bigger.
So, vrsinner, if you'd like to come up and explain what you're showing.
Hello. Hi, I'm Sinner. I like shaders, and I spend a lot of time in the shader worlds around VRChat. At some point, I was like, hey, I want to do this too. Spend some time learning shaders and converted a few what I think really cool shader toy shaders. I've tested it with I think like 5 or 6 people, and performance was okay. There is a performance slider in the world. If you're having FPS issues, you should be able to dial it down. I hope you guys like it. Let me drop a portal.
That is a lot of balls.
And for those new to the meetup, please wait until you see the portal sign before we all jump in. We got to give the portal some space. Sometimes they get very, very antsy and shy.
Squid, flick stick. Excuse me, we're flick stick.
Yep.
Wait, it's only for the menu, I think.
Click stick for my notifications. It makes it too easy to accidentally set them off.
I need flick. Oh my god.
Wait, it's...
You're gonna have to tell me.
It's not for, I don't think, like, rotation, though. It's only for your menu, isn't it? Okay. So... Hold on, I need to mute myself once I get into the world here. So, just to start off here, I'm going to say apologies, chat, mainly because I'm using the beta version of Access Overlay and it is not finding my chat window, so I'm not going to be able to easily see chat as much as I normally do. So, apologies if I don't answer anything quickly.
That's which I believe is the default. But like for my notifications, I use the one where it's like you point and then pull the trigger.
Flick stick for actual turning. Because I've been wanting that for so long, but no
You can do that
VR
in-
game has this.
You can probably do it just inside Steam VR, though, because that's built in.
Yeah, but you can. I mean,
You're mistaking it with Steam inputs. Steam input and Steam VR input are two entirely separate things for some reason.
Oh, okay. The more you know. I haven't tried any of it.
Yeah. You might ask why, and I would say, good question. Why are they entirely separate things?
just point your
Ask
stick to the left.
Steam.
That's a 90 meter. But you can keep
I
turning
have.
it
They
after
won't.
that.
They won't tell me.
It's
Okay.
like continuous
Disappointing.
moving, but it's not big.
Let's see what this world's about. Yes, it does look like a shader. Are these synced or is this not? I guess.
I'm in the
Turning it back to go back. Or you can three different sliders. One changes, I think, time some shaders. Like changes like
I have one of these in more than 4 hours.
RegenStorm, like, are you in the Discord? Communitymeetup.net gives you a link to it, because you can always ping one of the admins there.
I'm trying to learn more about shaders. These are all based on shader
Low
type.
quality.
So I went through like shader toy functional things and then
I'm on the spot.
Fire A and it rotated everything.
there's still a lot I need to learn.
Okay, is this global or is this local?
It's local.
Okay. Oh boy, not that. Oh, that's not too bad.
Hello, Fiona.
Hello.
I don't know what the last one does on the blue slider here.
Okay, guys. Are you having trouble scrolling in your menu with your left hand, or is that a binding specific thing?
Yeah.
But like,
It changed with the beta. It's like
Okay.
the right thumbstick instead of the left thumbstick. It's crazy.
Yeah,
I was like so paralyzed because I'm like, I can't navigate my social media. I don't understand what's going on. And then I actually hit
They
my other
swapped
thumbstick,
it?
and I'm like, oh, I can do it that way.
Why would they swap that?
Whatever menu you click on the menu with, it would use that choice. Now it's permanently the right choice from IKEA.
Well, I think it was the other way around because like one of them is the point, the other one is the movement.
This is the button hand, and this is the interact hand, but I tend to scroll with this one too. And so like I couldn't scroll, and I was like,
Oh, you got the black one.
very nicely done. Did they photo scan it or took?
I don't know. You have to ask Yuzi. I think it must be photo scan. It's too high quality otherwise. Unless they like scanned it, but I don't really want to consider they did.
Well, okay, so the thing is, like, there's photo scanning in which you're actually using the 3D data, and then there's, like, photo textures, which you just take pictures of it, and then,
No,
you know,
this is
use
definitely a
that,
scan.
like, stencil paint.
Look at the way it's like. It's definitely a photo scan.
It has the ripples. Yeah.
Isn't that still just
And the
texture?
geometry.
It's just Husey is secretly very, very good, and everyone doesn't realize this yet.
I'm gonna say that, like, this is remarkable,
Yeah. Husey is very, very good.
the, like, normals on this, and the way that the tail... Oh my god, it's got interactive shit!
It is. Yeah.
Do you know how it was scanned?
That's wonderful.
You can head pat it.
What machine was used
It's
to
so
scan it?
squishy!
I know.
Okay. Now we need more stuffed toys that are squishy. I love it.
Yeah, that's true. I'll agree with that.
It's not even as squishy as you can make it. I had to like modify the bone so I could hold it properly.
Yeah, I need to find.
This is the true power of D-bones. And you can hit people over the head with it, because, you know.
So it's not actually a public world yet.
So fizzy. When I was messing around with the shaders, the blue spiral for some reason gives me purple frames.
Purple frames? That sounds
No, that one's also pretty bad for me.
Yeah, like I can handle the red
On
and the yellow.
FPSVR, it has pink/purple frames.
No, I know. I have FPSVR open too.
Okay. Okay.
That normally means like you're stuttering, which
Heavy. Well,
Which usually, yeah, it usually doesn't happen, but like with the blue spiral, oh boy, it
about 3090 and this is happening. That is I think what frame time you're getting? I'm getting around like it was 38, 37.
like right now.
On my studio. Yeah.
You know what? I turned my safety settings off. I need to put them back on max.
What
Off, but I
Yeah,
just.
I
do you have? Have the quality up all the way.
Mine is off completely.
Oh, I have it at 50 on blue spiral. I'm already getting like.
I'm pretty sure when you click the buttons, they don't update the sliders.
100.
Yeah, no, you have to click
you have
5% updates. Like,
So if you have it on 50 quality, then it's like you may just have never touched it. I don't know if that's actually default for all of them.
GPU frame time is hovering at 2021. That's on 100 now. 50-ish.
Okay, if I put on the menu,
Still the same.
made like no impact on my
the quality all the way down, then it's just white. And
What's
then
your frame time?
Blue spiral was doing it. Really intensive.
Hell.
Yeah. No, with the small
What's your frame?
50, it's like 35, 36 on blue spiral. At 100, it's only 37, 38.
The other road to hell, oh yeah, it brings it down to 15, 16.
Our machine never, like, rarely breaks.
Yeah.
And it's
Road to
like,
hell and like sponge
I
are
probably
fine.
think that this probably all like
Yeah.
that they
Blue
use.
spirals, just like, nope, 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 nope.
Because there's no way.
Just some cool looking shaders.
We do it like every. We do it like thrice a week, every third week.
This is cool, huh?
Oh, my work. I had like there was a soccer cup final going on, so you know there was like lots of people at work.
Like 4 out of your screen.
And they always like came with like so many like McFlurry orders to like drinks, you know.
Probably not too far.
I had the spiral on and it started getting me.
Yeah, then the wall then says like it's always broken and stuff. Like our ice cream machines never like barely break.
Oh yeah, just
Maybe like a few instances. That's supposed only because like maybe like a part was faulty afterwards. Like we clean the machine like every
Are you guys good on the world list right now?
So, I'm not sure. I don't know if Squid actually opened it for other ones.
Yeah, we got plenty of room.
Well, I mean, I don't know if Squid opened it. Like, I guess you said you showed last week too, so that's what I mean. So that one, I would say ask Squid on. If you're planning on showing something. Yeah, Squid did that.
Yeah, I've been trying to indulge in this. Yeah, Squid's been a little busy. I'll get a word in eventually.
Are you the night shift?
Actually, yeah, no, there's not people. Oh no, yeah, there's only 5 people.
There's also somebody in Discord trying, but I'm not sure if that's where Squid's just gonna add to the list.
I feel like shit now. Yeah, yeah.
Vigilante known as night shift.
Oh, hi Squid.
I'll see shrooms.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, it would be very similar to what's going on now.
His avatar has like specific like stuff. You know where.
There we go.
It's pretty cool.
Clap, please, guys. Listening to UnityTrap?
I've been playing since 2018. I do miss the old days, and made a world that compiles all the old worlds into like a little hub. They are not public anymore, so that was the reason for it. That's all I have to say.
Cool. Sounds like a plan.
Drop over here.
So we can just walk off the edge.
This will be a memory trip.
Oh
dear,
and it's dead.
No, try going a little further out. You gotta wait.
Keep going, keep going.
10 seconds.
Yeah, there. That's good. Hidden robot. Alright, yeah. Alright, no, stop. Alright, go again.
Do you see the weight here? You may not like
That's good, right?
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, that's weird. Did it again.
Somebody is playing naughty. Yeah. We got someone.
Open up and get normal.
Yeah.
Interesting that's happening on
Open up.
I'm not. I tested the bonus earlier and it worked fine.
Someone's destroying portals.
Is it saying it in the log?
Well, that wouldn't really do anything.
I think 3 portals being destroyed in a row.
How are they doing it in a beta?
What is up with the crazy
Somebody must be on it.
Hold on,
It doesn't take long.
There's ways to decompile. The public ones don't usually decompile.
My idea for your hallway thing is just add tiny hallways behind the doors long enough that you.
That's the thing. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that.
Okay, where's UnityTrap? Don't try again, but like closer to where I go.
It's on my head right now. Oh, you have it.
Over here.
Is the face on the other side? Peter Griffin. Okay, it's supposed to be Peter Griffin.
I just have to set up.
Yeah, no, I could crazy tell you what it looks like. But yeah, I don't know if it's
because we were having that exact idea with Liar's Dice to do a Liar's Dice kind of like shake thing. My idea was to use like a little tailbone that would just wiggle when you shook it. Like it would have enough inertia that like if you just move it slowly it wouldn't shake. But you actually had to like shake it, and then I was just gonna read that.
Unity friends plus
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how to do this, but in the end I just
Are you still broken?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I can drop portals too.
Oh, well, okay, portals.
This one? Oh, it's working. Alright, go, go, go.
Into the void.
Time capsule.
Oh, wow. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Oh, are these the original stuff? The tutorial.
Yeah, you can go in them.
Tutorials.
Oh no, we can't go in here.
Yeah. Now this is nostalgia, alright.
That's the first time I see that.
What is this?
It has a link to Comedy Club, the last functional Unity 5.3 world in VRChat.
Oh wait, Comedy Club? Is that even working?
Yep.
You can go to it?
You can go there. It's broken, but it works. You can upload. You can go to it. It's still posted as a public world. It was built in Unity 5.3.
So, I thought they took Steel and Gold down.
So they took it down, but the upload is still in the game. It's just not public.
Oh, they privated it. They didn't.
Yeah.
They didn't.
It doesn't work because of the IL2 CPP changes, right? You can't just run code
I don't know
right
that.
now. So yeah, I think it was
Did the VRChat team did? Or I thought someone recreated Steel and Gold. I
Yes.
didn't realize that Q updated it.
Oh wait,
Which one?
somebody was somebody named VR Classics rebuilt something. I don't know if that's somebody internal or just that's some random user.
Yeah. Like, wasn't it just like
there was a recent rebuild of Steel and Gold.
demo scene?
By
Yeah.
somebody. It was
Soon you're gonna be standalone.
yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, I think it's called Remake.
Mm-hmm.
It was a great map.
So when I posted the adventure list on Facebook, somebody responded and they were just like,
For a few of our technical.
"Oh man, it's too bad that like they're gonna delete all the SDK2 content soon." And I hear that SDK3 is a massive pain to build worlds in, and I was just like.
Yeah,
I bet they read what we think they did.
Work anymore because we don't have the scripts in the
I bet I know whose community they're a part of. But still, I did respond to that, but I'm still just like that misinformation is out there. People don't understand there's a difference between deleting old content and not allowing SDK2 uploads anymore. Like they don't understand the difference, and I understand where the confusion comes from. But can you imagine if they just wiped out all the SDK2 worlds?
Just like 5.3 worlds?
Like,
That bug was, do you think that portal
Like-
was because he was on desktop?
but 5.3 was like 1% of the current, you know,
Probably less at this
world
point.
and user base. You know,
It's basically
no, like, literally,
nothing.
like, yeah.
Wait,
like,
do you have
there
stats on
wasn't
that? Also,
much,
you're just constantly winking at us.
Receiver always on.
Sorry, I'm taking a photo and asking QZ. One second.
I'd want to test, but I wouldn't be able to get back in.
And not to say that they're not going to take those down eventually, like far in the future when like things break to the point where you know they don't work anymore. But like that's not what the deprecated SDK2 means. It's just frustrating the misinformation that's out there. What are you gonna do?
There's lots of stupid people on the internet. The only thing you can do is
Okay,
10,000
that's what
people
it is. So
learn
if
something.
you're not a
new.
world creator, that's not
Well, yeah,
stupid. That's just
that's fair.
just you know misinformed.
10,000 people learn a fact for the first time each day.
So much in the VR community is the game of telephone, where someone has like one idea of what it could be, and then that just gets spread and changed.
All the rumors.
Yeah, and I like how someone's like, oh, SDK3 is a massive pain to use, and then like we literally have more worlds being uploaded now than ever, and like more complex and amazing, and you know, so I'm just like, it is different. And
I forgot the original.
it's subjective, but yeah. Wait, is that Pill before Pill had eyes?
Oh wait, is that what it was?
Back when Pill was Pill.
I guess I didn't realize he didn't have
This
eyes.
is 2017, yeah.
Oh wait, so this is the.
The Ball World is still up.
I was say, is this like the original trailer, like that launched with?
I think this might be the old Steam trailer.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think I don't remember it.
2017.
They are kind of way overdue for a new trailer, aren't they?
I mean, it still has Funhouse, which only lived for 2 months.
Yeah, that trailer is very, very out of date.
So, Neri, in real life, I assume you're leaning against a wall, but your avatar looks like it's gonna fall over.
Here.
Oh,
there we go.
Smooth criminal.
There, I can.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at the rest of these portals here.
Friends with a friend of mine.
So, capture the flag. With a futuristic one. Steel and gold. Minor dispute. I don't remember if I played that one. Hold on.
I had something to say before I teleported away. What was that?
Oh wait, from me or something else? What?
No, from you when we started in the hub.
Oh, in the very beginning, I was trying to say this, like what Squid was announcing for like the flip stick is just for the menu itself, not for actual locomotion.
Oh, okay, that's
That's what I was trying to say.
If we had actual flick stick, wouldn't that be amazing? Wow.
Yeah, that'd be interesting to try. And wondering how sickening these people would
I
get.
want to try. We just don't have it anywhere. Innovate. Be polite. These are real people, Cyan.
You're a real person?
Cyan, when's the last time you've been mean to someone?
Isn't that like opinionated in some way?
Like intentionally mean. Like what you said, hey, I'm gonna be mean to this person.
That's a good question. I don't know.
You don't? Okay. If that's your default state, that's the.
Hmm?
I guess now that you think, I can. Where was I? Can anyone?
Oh, there it is.
I have a shark cat now.
Shark cat.
Okay, so now you need to get one of those like
Anyone here who has
attachment prefabs.
Okay.
Anyone here who has what?
Oh, you had the contact.
I think Panda's more likely to say yes to this question. Panda.
Yeah.
Can you remember a time when you've been intentionally mean to someone?
I can be intentionally kind of hyper blunt to people in a way I know is quite mean. Does that count?
I guess.
Is the intention to be
Actually,
mean
that
or just
has-
be blunt to help them learn? Or I don't even know what like examples of blunt.
Blunt to help them learn in the
I probably lost my temper. I probably lost my temper in the last few months, but I can't think of an actual solution. I generally try and shut that kind of stressful moment out in my head. So it's hard to pull up that kind of information.
Are we talking the Stack Overflow approach?
I'm not innocent.
I'm sure we have.
The Stack Overflow approach is people legitimately trying to be mean. It's like it's
Why
like
the fuck
Wikipedia
are you doing
says,
it this
it's
way instead of implementing this algorithm that you've probably never heard of?
Stack Overflow is great.
Fail? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I failed.
Stack Overflow is great, but you never post there, never attempt to
No. Stack Overflow is great for answering questions. Finding answers to questions.
Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. Like you
sometimes.
Wait, is this the original Times Square? Okay, now I'm curious like which one is in there and if like I don't know if it's within the screenshot of this one. There was one time we just had a bunch of like ping legends. So at legends.
You'll see.
It's probably not that
I might
one.
have to
But...
show you the
okay, so that was the other hub. Oh no, I didn't look at all these Split Studio. I don't know. Like, I guess that worked. Oh, what does this one actually say? The help video. The 2018 home. Example. Did somebody actually put that? There was a band world? Example actions. Comedy. Oh, there's where the comedy club was.
Finding answers to questions.
Oh.
All right.
We're free to take our ears.
Yeah. Howdy, folks. I imagine a few of you might remember a world I shared a few meetups back now. The Clam Club. It is a world I was commissioned by somebody named Sync. I'm saying that wrong. Sync Otter, excuse me. To make kind of a beach clubhouse world. And part of that project was to make a night version. So that is done, and I would like to share it with everyone. So I just need to find a place to drop a portal, and we can go check it out.
I say over there.
So much.
I love the Clam Club. Yeah. Such a well-designed environment, honestly.
I like clams.
Can't paint your tail. Your tail moves around when I try and paint.
I know.
it.
Well, that's exactly. I was on a podcast in which somebody's like, "Hey, like,
Plants are like the apples of the
creator," and I had to plug fans because he's my friend. I'm like, "Okay, the one that's not like one of my best friends."
When you eat.
Down. I was like, wait, why are we waiting? Okay, let me check the comments that I've missed here. Bald pill. Okay, yeah. So with the loading screen, I don't actually remember seeing like that effect. I either turned it off or they already removed it before I joined.
Sorry, Fizzy, what were you saying? You said something about the big menu. I completely zoned out.
So I'm pretty sure all of the original VRChat like worlds there were like like asset packs. I doubt they modeled all those like both VRChat or that person. So it's like you could probably just find it on the asset store if you know the name.
Yes, this fucking water. Oh, what's up, Siri?
I remember this one being audio stream safe. Oh, so wait, where's Juice?
Where are you?
Where did my gun go? This is obviously a very immature thing to find cool, but sometimes you gotta feel. Sometimes you gotta just like get the stress out your stomach.
But I've just been coordinating with St. Cotter. By the way, I forgot to mention, this music should be fine.
Yes, I remember you saying the last time.
It's just a chill hop stream. Yeah.
I don't hear it, but I guess maybe it just hasn't started yet.
There's a pickup thing going on.
Just replace bits until.
Oh, this might be related to open beta. Because I remember open beta was saying that like object sync should have different results that's supposedly better, but this appears to be like snapping back and forth.
There's some funny happening in here. Syncing is broken in the open beta.
So I know arrays are. So wait, I know there was the array discussion, but was there anything relating to object sync specifically?
Which one? In here? Not object sync specifically, I believe.
So yeah, for this, after picking this one up, it's fine for me. Does anybody else see this one still flickering? Nope. No, now you have it.
Oh, somebody grabbed it. I was gonna say it just disappeared. Yes.
So it might just be like somebody on master having issues.
What about this fish?
I like the fish.
I mean, if you're really hungry,
The fish is weird.
I think your hip is just long.
The, general normal-sized people.
Normal-sized people.
As far as the lore goes, the upstairs is an apartment that St. Cotter kind of, I guess, owns, rents, etc. And the apartment is otter-sized.
yeah, it's over there.
Just keep trying.
Alright, wait for you.
I'm pretty sure.
No,
Wait, are they just all in one spot?
Beta breaks the pool tables, like,
I'm gonna try it.
sorry.
Oh no, you got it.
What just happened there?
Oh my god. Wait,
Oh no, yeah, and if there's an array sync on this, then it's broken.
Someone probably should have made an announcement when we were in the world.
Good point. Networking is broken if you use arrays.
It's gonna use object sync, or not object sync. Array sync is not
Okay,
gonna
if
work.
anyone's showing a world that's like related to that, though, that's a bummer for them.
I mean, looks like the pool table itself is. Yes, hello?
I don't hear any speaking.
Hi, has Fax contacted you on Discord yet?
No? Why?
It's amazing.
because Fax has someone with them that's actually in the list to show a world,
Oh,
but they can't
so
get
Fax
into the
definitely contacted
instance, so
Squid
we're,
already. So let's see, the list has been updated already.
Okay.
Yeah, for me, everything's working perfectly fine. I think it's going off of my, like,
So that was
my
Amble.
locality machine.
RegenStorm.
The reason I vanished from the hub, I got the green screen up there.
Tell them to try to get in right now as I leave.
Looks like your perspective then.
Okay.
It's fine. This is getting fine.
Alright. Just, I will leave so they can get into the instance.
Sorry, I didn't know that.
I can get back. I can get back. I can get back.
Oh my god, this screenshot is...
I've read out the techniques on this one here, and I need to read I don't mind. I can do this all day, but if I have to do this, I'm gonna like lose my neck.
So since Sync is a streamer, they like to have chat assistants. They like to see like the moderation commands, the chat, and
Oh yeah, makes
channel.
sense. For chat, that makes a lot of sense for like a chat, like streaming. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. Maybe for coding too, I suppose.
Oh, I understand the feeling. I understand the feeling.
Oh, it's just not even playing. Wait, what? Where'd you just walk from?
Ah, there's a secret here.
Wait, how do you open
There
it?
should be a button here somewhere on a book. There should be a book where you can click on it, and it opens the door. I'm not sure if it's maybe... Ah, it's this book here. This book here.
Oh, oh, thank you. I don't think we saw this last time.
Never, someone showed it to me.
What is this? Okay.
I have no idea.
It's like, so we have what looks to be bread in that one, and is that a potato?
Yeah, brioche bread, I guess.
Oh no, that's just the end of the bread. Okay, interesting thing for a commission. Okay. Good to know this exists. The Is this a goldfish?
I think it's better to have a fire on this one. Little one. I need some more drinks.
Oh yeah, you definitely need an all.
Oh, thank you for this. I have no need for this.
Is this the only sound that I've heard so far? So far, this world feels surprisingly quiet.
How does it feel? Do you feel like you wait? Sometimes you just
I need to edit my status here. So it says open beta because people keep requesting. And I'm assuming, even though I'm blue,
I need to move my comments so I can actually look at it better without just looking into the sky randomly.
Oh, I'm flashing. Why am I flashing?
Wait, bye!
See ya. That's it. She's floating away.
Wait, is that a world thing that you're doing, or is that an avatar thing that you're doing?
It's her avatar. She's
Oh, okay.
She's going through all our animations.
Oh, I see.
So, reading comments here again. A lot of people really wanted to make shooter worlds. I'm surprised like nobody truly like made a good prefab for it, but I guess the people who knew how just never released anything. Sadly, from what I have heard with people building things in SDK2, like particles are like horrible for detecting collisions in player stuff. So like that would imply you need to make your own colliders and like use recasting or so. Yeah, it can be difficult. Oh, the ocean sound.
Is there actually something down there?
I mean, obviously there's the fire. I'm pretty sure there was something down on that side.
We can swim?
Yeah, go in. I guess I can't look that way.
I'm not a very good swimmer.
So it's not the swimming prefab, it's literally just... Oh, the fire's that way. I see somebody's avatar through the water. I think. No, that's the menu. There's no swimming, it's just drowning.
Okay. It's all drowning. Oof, when I look in that direction, oh, my frames are gone.
I mean, I'm already maxed out VRAM. I'm assuming that's part of it. Yep. Maxed out GPU as soon as I look that way.
Oh, gee whiz, I wonder what mine is doing. Where's my task manager? Okay, so my graphic card is calling the fire department.
Oh no.
It's
Is it 'cause you're on fire?
90%.
Can you go to that thing out there?
Yo.
Wait, is there... Wait, I don't see a thing. What are you talking about?
Isn't there like an outcropping right down there? Way down there?
I don't see anything.
Lots of chips.
I see a reflection of a light, but like I don't actually see anything on the horizon.
No, there's something there.
Oh wait, I see a boat that's moving. So it's probably at a different location for you.
Yeah, it's a boat.
So yeah, for me the boat's over there, which you probably can't reach just because of like you'll be underwater. I mean, we could always ask Juice.
Thing floating around. Yeah, where's Juice?
Good question. Time to find Juice. Frames. Oh, I guess we can't find out. Wait, is Juice over here?
I have to show you because I want you to see the sunset version, which was the kind of the daytime version. Yeah, I'm gonna respawn.
Wait, before you respond, can I ask you a question?
So we can go after.
Thanks for the...
For sure, yeah.
There's not many people left.
Wait, Juice, can I ask you a quick question? No, never mind. Wait, Juice, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
So, it looks like you have a boat out there. From somebody else, it sounds like it's local, but can you go to it?
You can't go to it.
Okay.
They're generated by particles. So
Oh, it's a
they're
particle.
in different places for like everyone looking. Yeah.
Okay, that explains why it's local.
But they're just sort of circling us.
Oh, who are we listening to?
We are listening to
Say quiet down.
Okay, no, that.
Avatar in your
So this world is a bit of an old one, but there wasn't a whole lot of people showing today, so I thought I'd show it. Already mentioned it in a few other servers, but it's Vibe Inc. It's got my drawing pins in that I haven't touched for over a year, but it got updated to support Quest with the audio link shader that I'm using for the ink. So all you do is just pick up the pen, draw on the world, and you can see it react to the music. That's basically it. I'll drop the portal.
Wait, is music copyrighted?
Is it copyrighted?
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah, I assume so.
So just put yourself at 50%
copyright
volume
strikes.
for probably.
You say that, but I'll still get caught.
So I don't know if you might get caught like this. It's probably on the stream.
Give me all the copyright strikes.
You only get a DM instead of
I've literally never
The
had
copyright
that.
just gets strong enough where they start detecting the waveforms.
Don't they
See
already?
The waveforms on your video.
I'm supposed to go? I think we're supposed to go.
Okay.
You like talking in the meetups.
Wait, were you talking to Zelda there?
Okay.
Red.
Hmm?
Been here before.
You're not cyan anymore.
Oh no. My color scheme. You're no longer on a wall. Or maybe you are, just your tracking was up.
I'm sitting on a bed. Here, I can see.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's...
You don't need to...
my tracker is. And one of my base stations shit the bed the other day, and Valve is replacing it at the moment. I literally, so when the restock they did on Steam like 2 months ago, I bought a base station then to get one more, and that one died on me the other day. I'm like, I've had these other ones for a year and a half, and then the one I bought 2 months ago just flashing red light, so...
And as I mentioned to you, somebody just bought an index that I know in VRChat, and it has like an electrically broken microphone that hisses.
What?
So, I mean, that's
Okay.
very similar to Vinny's, which did the sweeping sine wave above 22,000 hertz.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. I bet all the pens are gonna break because of erasing.
This didn't seem like a sync is horribly well broken, yeah.
Anything erasing is gonna break.
Sweeping sine. Yeah, sync in the beta is a bit.
Open beta. The sweeping sine wave sounds like what my fucking Bose headphones is doing while on my own phone. I think all array one.
It's a raise if you don't change the size, from what people are saying.
Oh, you're not the only one, man.
I stole it.
How have you been?
Yeah, this beta has a lot of changes in it, so some bugs is to be expected.
Has people... I forgot, have people made a candy specifically for this?
I need one in my life.
I believe so.
I know it was discussed the other day. But... No, I'm saying have they made a candy for erasing specifically, which... Oh, that was right. FaZe Dragon said that we didn't need to because he would do it anyway, because it's tracked internally.
There's no canny because, like, VRChat, like, them know about it already, so there's no need to make any.
I mean, the need would be more to inform us that it was fixed, but you would assume that they would like do that. But
I guess,
Bool's not. I mean, the Bool sync one. The sync canny is open for avatars at least.
oh, I don't know about sync broken on avatars though. I haven't heard that one yet.
Yeah, syncing is broken. Yes, syncing is completely broken on avatars at the moment, and parameters will just randomly not sync.
Wait, is it?
Yes.
Oh.
So the person who opened, the person who opened the canny was saying GTA avatar crypt wasn't working anymore, but. Hobart's around here somewhere, and his Mii Maker avatar, there he is. His Mii Maker avatar is just not syncing properly, so the facial shapes will be all over the place at random.
Okay, so I heard that discussion in the beginning, but we're all seeing Squid's like notifications. It's like I'm curious like how that syncs.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not completely broken. Pools are broken.
Okay.
Not completely broken.
Oh, I gotta get one of those.
It's not completely broken. It's some combination that's
Oh, hey, quick question.
making it not work.
Are people seeing any or hearing any music to this? Because like for me, like the lines are all static and I don't see any movement.
I do not hear anything.
Okay.
The video player is there, it might not be playing for you.
So far, like the last one didn't have the video player working either.
The video player, yeah. Didn't they make a change to the video player in the beta?
Did they?
They may have.
The beta.
But also, like, both this previous world, I'm assuming this world used Pro TV, so something may have broken with it specifically.
His video player specifically? How disappointing.
Pro TV have been. I mean, there was the array change in Udon, but I don't see Pro TV depending on that.
No, it's not. But yeah, I think why lots of things are broken. We actually changed their obfuscation. If you open debug log, you can see that no longer you see DZ. Instead of that, you see some weird other
eyes.
characters.
Oh my god, look at all these lines.
Yeah.
So they broke it with obfuscation. Amazing.
I mean, that would be odd if like
they
that
changed
did.
it. So
someone will give it a few days. It'll be God. Why? They invest so much effort and people just tear them down.
Open beta will take longer than usual because of how many things are probably gonna be broken because of the obfuscation.
Yeah, I mean, they merged in IK 2.0, but on top of that, it was just a lot of changes.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Wait, what was I glad about? I know.
Apparently, VRChat changed the obfuscation. If you look at the log.
Yeah, they changed from DZ to like I.
It's like foreign I characters where like the symbol is a different direction. From what you posted anyway.
Yeah.
Output log. Let's see.
Wait, isn't that you only see that from errors? I thought, unless something changed.
From pen controllers. The pen controllers are really spammy. Yeah, like E. Nice. God.
I
There's
need
so
the
many
ability
lines.
to turn myself invisible. I need the ability to turn myself invisible just so I can have this and just do this.
Yes. It's true.
Oh,
You
yep.
can sit up on the table until some unsuspecting person comes along.
Sad part is the
grab it.
obfuscation changes are going to do shit in the long run.
Does it actually, or do you mean like?
They're gonna
Oh.
do jack shit in the short run as well.
Yes. In the long term, I mean by like 2 days. By the time the beta hits live.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
You think so? Yeah.
Honestly, it's probably not a VRChat thing. They probably just updated their tool, and the tool changed internally. That's much more likely.
Maybe, I guess, yeah. Could be.
Yeah, it's like, wait a second, wait, I'm not on blue. How'd you join? Where the
I do got like 5
I just clicked something else in the playlist.
Blueberry and chocolate chip. Just like funny. Yeah, they did the full Sim City.
I think we're really good to go, aren't we?
Wouldn't that Lego City
I got distracted talking about Lego video games
a while ago?
Wait, I don't know if it's actually been long enough. But I don't remember what time I joined. It's just more of open betas broken in.
Coming over here is like.
Oh no, I'm just coming over here to get a different,
These pens.
different conversation, just because it's like that's probably not the best thing on stream.
City Undercover. I remember hearing
Lego City Undercover, yeah. So like literally, you find any junk on the side of the street.
Lego video games.
Yeah. Strong Bad, and also I want to get a game called Lego Studios Backpack, which is like a really old like Shockwave game. It was like fully 3D.
Wait, is this Spawn?
Lego just went like way too hard on it.
Something recent. What's this? The Batman one that came out.
I guess we were at Spawn.
Are we?
I think it was Star Wars. Oh, Star Wars. Totally Star Wars. Yes, it was Star Wars.
Oh boy. Prettiest of them all.
I'm now curious to see what this world looks like when you rejoin it with all the lines.
From the previous Lego Star Wars, which just confuses me at this point.
I hear it's
Different
good.
in terms of the like the game.
Are you okay?
Like direction.
It's just an different entire game from like the set Lego Star Wars.
Did you actually refrain from using?
I think
No,
gameplay's
the
similar.
reason is, by the way, I think I might be wrong, but I think it's not the same studio. I think, if I remember.
That makes sense.
Yeah, if I recall, it's not the same studio. And apparently people are like, good. Exactly. They were all just grunting ranting and moaning. That's it.
Another fully voiced, which is kind of crazy.
Yeah, this one's completely voiced. You should see Jaja Binks. He looks really weird. Like,
They based that on his actual. They actually had him like a they based that on his actual.
yeah, now imagine him speaking in like a horse.
Oh god.
Okay.
The timing. It was just the timing.
Giant sun.
That sounds a little bigger than it should be.
Do you want me to find you, or should
I mean, that's where the red's coming from. See, I'm like all red because of that
Weird. Is strong red unlit, or is this just like works in this lighting?
Because of the lighting, if you look at my eyes, I look like I've had way too much like weed.
Well, we're all colored. Did they change
look
the
at my
name
eyes.
mapping?
Not something I
What? That's a thing?
I can't tell.
I think so. No.
To me now,
The nameplate is.
Oh.
no, I'm just noticing.
Yeah, the
that
hand.
the text now, when you are far away, like all the letters have slightly yellow boxes around them, and I don't know that I noticed that before.
I don't think they
It's
changed the
particularly
map mapping. I think that's
on flip.
That's because they. The
Oh, I
padding
see it
is
that
too
one.
small around the characters. It's an issue with that font.
Yeah, I could see that.
Okay.
Wouldn't that also just be
Like,
like
it
not
may be
using
something-
TextMesh Pro?
It may have always been a thing, but it's not as obvious on text, but it's really obvious on Flip's name.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that looks new. County time. Let's see.
Hey, who understands the issue with mobile diffuse and the depth thing that can write a candy? Because I looked for it, I could not find a candy. Someone needs to write that candy. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
That
Let me
the mobile
switch
diffuse doesn't have
chat
depth
past
pass
that.
or depth pass.
Does this one have it?
Yeah.
Does this one have it?
Wait, what's the issue?
Wait, you need to come there. You're really tall. I'm
Have what?
super
Have
short
what?
today.
Oh, that was
Does this one have it?
no. So the issue is have what? Depth pass? You can only tell when
Does
there's
this one have
something.
anything like fog or something? I know what you mean.
But
Okay.
yeah, it depends. It depends on the world and other shaders. But that's the
Okay,
water
ask.
sometimes.
So I believe High has a literal knowledge post about that issue. So we could probably just forward that.
Oh, okay.
I remember reading that somewhere.
Yes. Hi was here.
I'm not saying make High write the canny, but I'm just saying right there. But
Time to bring up the name.
it's just more of that. There is a blog post about that of this is what happens on default Unity.
Well, yeah, I want a link to it. Hi is running around.
Oh no, I shouldn't have threw High under the bus then.
Hang on, how long have we been here already?
Good question. I don't have a watch on my avatar.
It says 107 on my local time, so I don't know if that would.
I don't know what time we entered here, so that's why I'm at some point I need to put an actual time on my avatar.
15 minutes, I think.
Then it's probably time
It's
to move
close
on.
to 15 minutes, yeah.
Wherever Squid went. There's too many lines, I can't see anything.
Cyan, can you put up?
Wait, I have to do it? What am I putting up?
Yeah, I don't have back up.
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
Because we're sorry. Back to hub.
Oh, is there a problem?
Because we got a person. Yeah, we got a person presenting next, but they're in the overflow instance and they can't get in.
Oh, okay.
That's the one I was telling you about earlier.
Yeah. So that means we're going to lose a couple people here then. So here we go.
Sacrifice, but
There's the rejoin hub thing. Oh, apparently on stream somebody was saying 13 minutes. Yeah.
That's what I'm doing right now. Is
Which? Wait, sorry. Which one are we going in? Which instance? Go there.
The hub world? Just the one that is normally pinged?
Yeah.
So I have my invite waiting. It's more of, do I go there right now or do I keep waiting? Oh, there's not an issue with your world. It's an issue with the next presenter, by the way.
Now.
I'm just gonna click invite me.
Squid, tell Fax and the guy showing the world to move into that link now.
Oh wait, yeah, wasn't Fax?
Like ahead of us.
They're already there.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
cool.
I'm going
Yeah,
there.
I'm in the world, so I can turn off you.
People waiting on me in that world.
My game right now.
There we go. Asking
Oh,
Michelle.
there's a stutter. That was somebody.
I'm not sure I'm next, but
You are. It's you now. And then...
You are next.
Oh wait, is Fax not showing?
Oh, hi. Yes,
Fax is
showing.
You're next.
Fax is
Oh,
Yours,
okay.
so next.
Oh, fair enough.
I don't even know why. I was just
Like
told,
your,
Fax,
your new
you're gonna go
project.
last, and I'm not giving you any voice in the matter, and I don't argue with you.
That was funny. Did you hear what was happening at Spawn? Someone said things to not say at community meetups.
But
What was the
It's like,
sentence?
you want me to bring out the? Somebody said, you want me to bring out the crasher gun?
Oh wow, this was a fast.
you can't even give me head pat. I'm like,
No, you're good. You're good. No,
I can smell it now.
The secret message.
Oh wait, I think I know.
Some tummy.
Dynamics.
No.
I think he was trying to get.
I'm sorry.
That was a very good question. That's the problem. I have legitimately no idea. Preferably, I'd like to go back to not dealing with people again. That's something I miss a bit, maybe.
Hey, y'all, if we go gather around the stage, we're gonna get going again in a few seconds here.
Working from home. It's been amazing.
RegenStorm, if you'd like to come up and explain what you're showing quickly.
okay. So my world is just it's a recreation of a local arcade, and I have a little tour I want to show everybody. And it's my first world, so please don't tease me. Okay. So just drop portal here.
Yep.
Okay.
And change your avatar.
Okay, I'll do friends plus, I guess here.
Look, the world told you to use an optimized avatar.
Yeah.
Oh, me? Oh, whoops. Sorry, I've been in the. Good, I can do that.
We've been betrayed.
I don't know what it is because even the fallback is blocked for me.
180 Fizzbone colliders.
Top 10.
Oh wait, that's still blocked.
No, you didn't have to do that right away. Sweetheart.
Hey, no bullying world creators.
That's right.
We're sensitive.
Maybe it's file size?
Yeah, it's file size for me anyway.
It just reminds me of that Twitter account.
Wait for it.
Okay, here you go.
Sweet.
Yeah, portal.
Oh wait, I didn't actually look. What was the portal? Playable arcade games. Campus Cove. taking a long time to load here. What is that?
There's a screen here. I love the carpet. And it's a video of the real life location that I took like 17 years ago.
Oh, cool.
And if you come over here, you can grab your own local screen.
Oh, nice.
I still hear the sound. Do not touch the table. Do not touch the air hockey table. I repeat, do not touch the
It's very
Do
scuffed.
not touch the air hockey table. It will crash.
That is what I call it. It is very scuffed.
Oh, it might be broken with open beta.
Now, is that just
Thank you.
the beta?
Or in general? It's just old and bad.
Cyan,
I want
one question though. Are pickups thing normal in open beta?
So they made a change to pickups. I don't know how much that is like. They said it was like up or meant to be better sync wise, but we've also noticed some issues things. But I don't know. I've not seen it crash people, but.
So there's no object sync? So there's no object sync?
No, there is object sync. It just may not look right.
Oh, okay. Because I need to make sure that, because today the thing I showed may have things to do with object sync very heavily.
So we don't know if it's going to crash anybody, but we will find out, I guess. And if it does, then we need to make a candy. Okay.
Okay. But one thing I discovered is if you're a PC user, you cannot navigate your menu anymore by using your keyboard, which is a little bit sad for me.
Oh, yeah. They did mention
Keyboard menu navigation?
There was a bunch of input changes that, like, once you like turn one thing, you turn a bridge.
That's because of how. Yes, because of the event listener in Unity's new UI system, it doesn't work the same. For you can't just like menu through.
Ew. Ew.
Wait, does this one actually work?
Basically,
No, it
we're
doesn't.
trying to do the better, but we sacrifice
Wait, are these sim?
So the old input system by default.
The most realistic arcade I've seen with this many people in it. When we went to Portland, I went to a place like this. This is pretty much exactly what it was like, except a lot smellier and more worrying about people spilling beers on you.
Oh, and Slade, hey, this is my world. Yes, so if you come over here, you can have a little mobile screen. I put it in the TV, but that one's local. So if you grab that one,
oh, so we can just...
I just kind of got to get to it. You can grab the screen, and this is the real-life video of the location.
Oh, so this is okay. I was gonna say that, like I've seen a lot of people do arcades of VRChat, but none of them actually feel like actual, you know,
Thank you.
arcades.
That's exactly what.
Right?
Yes,
Like I'm like walking this room, like, yeah, I'm really like don't back up, or you're gonna get a shitty margarita down your back.
Exactly. We used to sell bubble tea over here. I need to find a bubble tea. Like a lot of these are prefabs, right? But like, I need to find a bubble tea machine asset, and there's a lot more I got to do. But yeah, and over here we have the LAN center.
Wait. Who's this dude in the mustache that looks like Ringo Starr? Is that you?
No, that's my buddy. That's my buddy Gabe, actually.
He looks just like Ringo Starr. What the fuck?
I'm gonna tell him that. He's a funny guy. I asked him, I was like, "Are you okay being in the video? Like, people are gonna see it?" He's like, "Ah, yeah." I'm like, okay, cool. But yeah, that room is not done. There's lots not done. But there's one cool thing. I kind of wish I should have said this before. This is the first time I showed a world. But there's a back area. So if you guys, I think it's the next video. I'm gonna swap the video. Hopefully everyone can see it, and I'm gonna show you this back area that was really spooky.
The back area.
Really spooky.
One time, because I used to work here, right? So. It's like the back. We'll go to the next video.
Oh, this is the video.
A great place to put options. Employees only.
Wait, does it actually say employees only?
Oh, it's literally like bathroom back rooms. Wait, where are we going?
Where?
Transporter is solid black.
Because I don't see you.
Are we going?
It's not done yet. This is the video that we're currently playing. So this is it here. You can let me play it?
Man, I already found a little bit of...
Oh, I guess it doesn't seem like it's updating the other video here.
It feels like the back
Or the player.
It's uploaded for me.
No, I meant like the hand one. The one I'm holding isn't the same video.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Anyway, but this path,
This is
It's currently playing on the local player. If you guys grab the TV in the other one, there's a local player you can follow along.
The local player is still showing the other one. It's not. Doesn't seem to be working.
But the videos. Oh, is it working now?
My funny bone.
It's at the end. Somebody pushed it to the end of the video.
It's
So this is the
jumping
door.
a lot, but yeah.
It's showing the door right now.
Oh, it's showing now. It's showing.
And this way was like
And
a
it's stopped.
cave-in, like cement, like underground area, and I was like, this is so crazy. And there's a chair with a little bar.
Okay.
Try to recreate it. So, yeah, you know, see, it's a work in progress.
To that place? Like, are you doing it from memory, or do you have photos
It's
of
sealed
it?
off. This is just the video I have from like 17 years ago that I'm going off of, and my memory.
Oh.
So it's sealed off. Like if you go in the bathroom now, there's just like cement, like there. It's just totally sealed, and I'm like that's
Why do you share a Geiger counter?
So if you
Oh, yeah, Ivan.
freaking out.
Basically, somebody was trying to make a like backrooms parody. Just instead of it called backroom bathrooms, it was just called bathrooms, hoping you people would get it. And just infinite bathrooms.
At making worlds, but
I don't remember specifically the person's name, but I know one of the worlds they created.
It's in the video where it starts.
Just clipping into like the back.
When I'm here, it like gives me crazy nostalgia. Like when I'm up here, I'm like, whoa! Like the 4 years I worked at the arcade, I'm like, it all rushes back, and I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, man. There was that time that a giant egg walked in.
They actually, do you guys remember Strong Bad? Like Strong Bad, they came here and did a show once.
That's amazing.
Like the Homestar Runner crew.
The actual one.
Strong Bad, the Flash thing, not Strong Bad, the okay.
The cheat.
Yeah. The like.
I didn't know they did
boxing gloves guy or whatever.
So basically, the staff that work here and need to get behind this counter, they have to go through the back room.
No. This was part of a campus. Oh God, that sound is awful. That is really bad. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna turn that.
Your skills.
It's not too bad.
It's like weird.
Okay. But yeah, this is this I make the bubble tea over here. I'd make it, and one of them
Bubble tea. We got the blender.
I don't know. Somebody gave me shit.
Yes. Hey, how do you know?
Honestly, like,
You're from.
pretty good.
Oh my God, we need to be friends. Oh my God.
Just make sound effects.
Oh, I'm so happy.
People will think it's a
I was
soundboard.
walking here, I was like, wait a minute, this looks like a campus.
Yeah, I used to work here. I was probably the long-haired one playing the PSP behind the counter. There back then.
Oh man,
But yeah.
Stabby the other day. She got
Yeah, I tried to get it as good as I could. I didn't have the chairs yet.
Are you a Coca-Cola?
Yeah, they're like went to the same
like $1,000.
place. That's so cool. It's really obscure. I'm so glad you're here.
Can I have one?
She was messing with it.
Hey,
Did you get me one?
Yeah,
If you don't have one, can you go
it
home?
crossed under the stairs a long time
can you
ago.
find one?
But it closed a few years later. Yeah.
Actually, give me a spray.
Okay.
Oh wait, Dr. Pepper.
It's sad.
Sprite and a Coca-Cola machine, come on. Come on.
The what?
Can't ask for
Making little chiptune fart noises.
Yeah, come see actually.
She was playing like the
Over there.
Among Us sounds, and then she was doing the
Still no 60.
My fourth is like
hard to figure out what that spells.
Oh, I guess I didn't see all these arcade cabinets.
This is still.
I spent like $100.
This is the ultimate machine.
Yeah, I added sounds to the Lord of the Rings.
This is hard.
In the group.
This is harder than
You definitely need to see this.
I give up, guys. My
How much on chips did you get from 2048?
I wasn't counting. I just played 2048 for a bit. Sorry, I'm just.
Did you get another production? Okay.
I forgot about this being eat on chips here. Does that actually make it better if you have two?
Probably.
just gotta wait for one to blink and then you gotta click it a lot, right?
Yeah, something like that.
I'm having still some lag issues, I don't know why. Avatar's off and all that stuff. Top or...
Wait, what is
I'm
this
gonna
game?
say it's top.
Higher or lower? If the next number is higher or lower.
Oh.
Oh, but it doesn't show anything. Oh wait, it doesn't come down.
Oh wait, no. Oh no, it's not that. Oh, it's the boxing glove one, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
You have to box the thing.
It doesn't use, but what? I'm confused.
Probably somebody clicked it without hitting it, and that's just wrong. Only.
Target. No, probably.
I wish I had I was too lazy earlier.
I mean, I wouldn't need another one.
Oh, we're being respawned.
Oh, respawn.
Wait, where is spawn?
Alrighty.
Oh, okay.
It's the shark.
It's a shark.
Touch it.
Looks like you got it.
The shark is too realistic.
It can also hit people. Wait, if I remember correctly, it's the scan of an idea thing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You guys just extra sharp racing here?
They were. Okay, over there.
Alright, for this one, I need to make sure everyone... Oh, okay, for this one, I need to make sure that everybody is here in order to hear some of the things I have prepared a little bit. Just need to make sure. Okay, so VRC pickup object sync is acting normal, right?
Sure.
No.
We'll find out.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
do you want us to break it if it works?
Okay, then good. Yeah,
What
it's
is
working
normal,
good.
really?
Okay. That usually happens.
Feature not working.
XR, you don't need to yell.
Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, one thing, I have prepared a little game. Oh, one thing I have to say. Today, there is no tour. That is because I have terraformed the whole thing back at Emeverter Green, so it's going to be extremely different. And for this change, I have prepared a little game for everyone, like every player. So I would like to divide the whole audience into two groups, one on my left and one on my right.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Wait, where's your left?
Guys,
Right.
this is Saw. This is totally Saw.
This is not Saw. That is not Saw.
Okay, okay.
I
wasn't sure if you. I just wondered.
And I have to make sure that each...
Let's just figure
I
out.
need to make sure that two groups have the same size. Yes. Please stand either on my left or on my right. It's a very simple game.
Just not gonna happen.
It's a very simple game.
Yeah.
Because it seems the other side has way more than our side.
But yes, okay, Ben too. I gotta remember.
Now remember,
Thank you for coming up.
whether if you are left or on the right. Okay,
I'm on
now
your right.
on the launch pad, on the world launch pad, which is when you spawn in, there's this like big menu teleported right in front of you. There's this two very useful tab, which is the network map, which will show you all the relationship between the clusters. And then another map, which is just a small map, like, yeah, the cluster map, just to show you that little cluster. Now, your goal is at one of the cluster, which is Valley Stadium, there is this one particle sword. And then for the team on the left, your mission is to smack the particle sword to West 1 cluster, which is Tri-Dorm. And then your target is the particle tree. And then for the team on the right, your mission is to take the particle sword and smack it at the East 1 cluster, which is the learning center. On the red circle at the middle. Alright, that's the simple rule, and then let's see which team will win.
I can do my god. Could you hold on a second? I'm gonna get my notepad. I need to write this down. I forgot how.
I noticed that Will was black.
I think I have something to do. I definitely need to work on that. I don't even know if I have a character.
That the box is covering the whole area, and then you should be good. But
Okay.
yeah.
I will work on
I
that.
don't know. This is really fun. Like honestly, I think like the fact that you base it off a real life place makes it so much more immersive. So yeah.
Thank you. Like this area would be a food court, but like you know,
that's really cool.
it's so much. I'd do so much more. Yeah. Like I'd like to make it a whole campus.
Having a video.
Thank you. I gotta bounce though.
Still pictures from areas.
Yes, I have like pictures of like back then and stuff. I want to do that. We'll just have like memories and like
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, that's You can have a toggle to turn them on and off, like, you know, to like in comparison to the Meetup thing.
I should probably have that for the games. Because the games, a lot of them are stuff like a real arcade, right? You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Half the games work. Exactly. Very effective.
Something on my desk. Got it.
Not yet, no.
Okay. Now that it's quiet, did anybody get all that? 232 megabytes. I guess it is less than 250.
Oh boy, it's that tune that plays every time someone joins. That actually doesn't seem to be smelling as well.
And then there's the cluster.
Oh no. Are people crashing? We've got a few people just stuck in place.
Well, just click on the cluster map.
So we just have Strong Bad here just frozen. There's another frozen person over there.
Oh, new map features. That's cool.
This is sculpture. Yeah, right. You are supposed to admire it and learn
it's
about
happening.
how different avatars work.
Too bad I can't fake it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Just go like.
Help! This hurts.
Wait, is this?
It's happening.
No, we two are fine. Don't worry.
How much udon is in here?
Okay, I need to look into like, can I pause my avatar position?
For a second, you crashed.
Oh no, we're just imitating Strong Bads. It's just like, oh, hold on, I gotta pause myself.
Yeah. Thank you for the head pads. Can you see me?
The problem is like, I feel like I'm moving a lot locally.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
It looked like you crashed for a second, and I'm like, oh shit.
Where's the debug menu thing again?
Oh, you have to enable it.
Oh, it's in your, it's in your menu wheel.
Oh wait, for avatars or for worlds?
I'm not. It's called an OSC. I'm not sure if that's.
Yeah, I found it. But yeah, I just want to try something.
Does this have something to do with open beta, or it's just me? I don't
We
know.
don't know.
Let me look at my. I just disabled the video player a few minutes ago, and then I disabled some of the big networking stuff.
I'm looking at my log, and
Oh, you have it
Are
open?
the core functions
Not that
still there
bad.
though? At least.
Yes, the core function is
wait
still
a minute.
working.
Oh, you see something?
I
That
just
is
disabled
a lot
the
of-
video player.
Transfer ownerships, I assume.
Oh, that would save us a lot of frames, considering the number of people.
Yes, so I'm seeing a shitload of object transfers in my log, but then also just a straight up photon error from the game itself. Network transport, null reference section, within the photon network transport. That's always good.
Oh god.
Wait, so
from scale of 1 to... Cannot serialize string array with null element 60 from photon again. So, this is under VRChat. I have never seen photon errors of this sort in the log file.
Wait, so from a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are we to go...
Okay, everybody, Squid pinged to go back to the hub, so I guess I gotta put up that sign again.
Oh, are we... Oh, are you going
to debug this thing?
Yep.
I think this is partially VRChat on the beta at the moment, because looking at the logs, there's a bunch of null reference exceptions coming from Photon itself and not Udon.
Whatever it is, just, you know, give them this world to test it.
Automatically right now in the open beta.
Yes.
Whatever it is, we're dying.
Can you say that again, like, beg your pardon?
We need to make a canny and give them this world specifically, just because this is, we have a repro. Right? There it is.
Yeah, this is weird.
So, technically, it's not our fault.
We don't know.
Probably not. Honestly, looking at these errors, I have never seen this kind of photon error in a log file.
Okay. So, I'm going to the meetup up here.
Right now, we're...
Freeze tag is back. That's okay. I needed to get a picture with Strong Bad, but I didn't. Oh. Wait, you were already here? Your body was still stuck there.
Froze, like in the air, running. Like,
that was so funny.
Because usually, like, when that world has syncing issues, like, it locks up for a bit, but then kind of recovers. Then I was just gonna assess how many people actually got kicked out, and I got in eventually, and it was smooth for like 5 seconds, and then I just completely locked up, and Unity like closed itself.
Okay, so there was actually a lot of people still there. Like, not everybody crashed, but like,
yeah,
really?
most people didn't die.
Yeah.
I thought I was
okay. I died.
The log file is full of straight up photon errors, not Udon exceptions, like photon network transport errors. No reference exceptions at the photon level. So I think something was
people that logged in first that crashed.
Well, we already know that. It's probably syncing, right?
Yes. Well, one of them was an array object number 60 was null reference exception. So.
Oh, disgusting.
All right, time to pull everybody ready there.
Just funny watching everybody come back.
I think that people are. I think
objects in that
pretty
world,
much everybody's here.
Based on ownership transfers.
We're at 66 people.
That was some god tier comedic timing.
For which part?
Like,
well, we didn't
4 minutes of like explanations of this complex game, and then
can't even play it.
Hello, everybody. Just in case anybody is able to hear me at all up front, we're gonna get started in a few seconds here. Fax, you would like to go up and explain? Hello.
Hi, everybody. Can you hear me? Okay.
Hi.
No.
No, but go on.
Cool. Okay, we're in the open beta, so I thought it might be worth trying out No Time to Talk again. Minor improvements, you'll see. Once again, we won't be able to rejoin after we're done in No Time to Talk, which is why I'm going last. So you better listen to Squid about the social event if you still want to hang out for that. Alright, I'll drop the portal.
I'm listening to Squid.
I don't want to listen.
Wait, you'll post it. You'll post it in the thing. Is that what he means?
Yeah, there's gonna be.
Okay.
Alright. Let it warm up. Warming up.
It works.
I think we're good.
Cool down, then things.
Making us talk to each other.
Seconds, we can go. It's 20 seconds.
There we go.
Talk.
You don't want to talk.
Oh, I wanna play.
Oh, what? Well, since this doesn't involve actually moving, I'm gonna sit down. Oh, that was a fast download. Hey, look at all the people! There's surprisingly no audio. I can't talk to you. I'm pretty sure my object pool is broken because it is synced with an array. Interesting. There's no audio. Sorry, instance broken. It says it right there. Oh, apparently Fax was able to get in. Let's see if this actually works. No time to talk, literally, because no player audio.
I'm making world.
As Fumo was saying. It still says it's broken. Quite the meetup. What is going on? So we have a ventriloquist act? No, that's the right word. Mime act? Oh, I'm on the table now. Disappointingly, there's literally no information in the log. Nothing to interact. I'll just go ahead. But since looking at the Discord, we pretty much, this was the last world, so this is the end of the community meetup. And so with that, we're going to start our social event and also the end of the stream here. So thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you again, or see you again next time. Bye.